Having your own truck is a lot of responsibility. The saying time is money has never been more true than it is for truckers today. Peace and blessings. Yeah, so we finna change out this Bluetooth nipple, right? It's a washer nipple. Not really that easy to get to. Not really that easy to get to. Tight space back here. This new one right here. So it's like 2 clamps. So it's a real tight spot. So I unbutton it from the back. It went in. The mill went in. See? So, but it's so tight, I had to take off the shell itself. Now I'm gonna take this whole assembly off and pull this off so I can get to it. See, I need somebody to find the engineer. Whoever engineered this section right here, man. Whoever engineered this. If anybody know the engineer of this, tag them in this video and tell them trucker Abdullah need to talk to them. So I gotta take this whole piece off to get back here, right? So whoever engineered this, if you know him, I'm gonna pay you $500. So this is a 12 millimeter right here. This is my air. I forget what it's called, but yep, this got to do with the air. So I gotta take this down. So this is 12 millimeter. So, you know, I know some of y'all like, man, you could have went to the shop and paid somebody. You were cheap, right? But check this out. A lot of times when you go to the shop, they be slow too, and they don't be number part changes. And they act like they crazy. So, in this game right here, time is money. Wait a minute. Say find that engineer. I got an APB out on that engineer because I had to pull this on to get here. So I need you to find that engineer ASAP. All right. Now I got access. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to drop this in order to get here. Cause I need to get this nipple down, but it's not enough room. That's the firewall right there. So, wow. So let's do it. So before we mess with the old man, we had to spray him down. This is a 03. So I know he probably, chances is he ain't been messed with since then. So you know, he might be a little grumpy back there. So we just gonna spray him on down and let him chill for a while. Him came right on out. I'm gonna sit him right there. So slide them on down. Maybe that's all I needed. Was that little jug. Let's see. Got a little. This shit right here. So I bought 2 different sizes. So I'm gonna batch up the old one. Like this one right here. You see, this one was broke. This right here, the nipple part. With the male, it goes into the female adapter. So, look like it's this one. So go ahead and slide this on. Try to slide it on just the way I got that one on. Hopefully I'm gonna kink the line. Let's see. First I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my line. Maybe not. Work, so I'm gonna go ahead and disturb that old man right there. I'm gonna spray him down. So I'm not gonna take it all the way off. I ain't gonna take it all the way off. I'm gonna just loosen it. So I know you like, damn, you got that crowbar. Yeah, so I got it in. So that's the nipple right there. And I'm still looking for that engineer. Somebody find that engineer. Me and him gotta have a talk. Yeah, so I just pried it back. So I'm like that. So now we gotta put all these screws back. The fun part. I figure where I'm at it too, right? Let me go ahead. And I'm gonna change this out too. Yeah, man. I got 2 new ones, 2 fresh ones. So let's do that. This is the part where you gotta be kind of on point it back, cause you wanna make sure it line up. I had them up. See, that's the nipple that we were shooting for, that broke. This is what we replaced. So put it on. Tighten it down. And see that snaps on right there, that nipple. That's where the water come up at, come through. Spray windows. And that's a DOT violation. So yeah, gotta tackle it. Had to tackle this. You know, we can't afford no, you know what I'm talking about?